First, let us see the solution for iPhones. Start by opening the settings on your phone. Scroll down until you locate the Instagram option, then tap on it. Within the Instagram settings, find the toggle for microphone and switch it on. This lets Instagram record audio when you use the app. Next, locate the toggle for camera and switch it on. This allows Instagram to use your camera for capturing photos and videos. With both toggles turned on, Instagram will now have access to your camera and microphone for a seamless experience. Now, we will see how we can do it on an Android phone. Begin by opening your mobile device's settings. Scroll down the list of options until you find apps, then tap on it. Keep scrolling until you locate Instagram among your installed apps, and tap on it to access its settings. Within Instagram settings, you will find an option labeled Permissions. This controls what Instagram can access on your device. Tap on it. Now tap on Camera to manage Instagram's camera access. Ensure it is set to allow only while using the app. This means Instagram can only access your camera when you are actively using the app. Return to the Instagram settings and tap on Microphone. Similarly, set microphone access to allow only while using the app. This setting ensures Instagram can only access your microphone while you are using the app, maintaining your privacy when you are not. If you prefer, you can choose for Ask Every Time, which prompts Instagram to request permission each time it wants to use your camera or microphone, giving you more control over when they are accessed. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.